When I found out about the Civivi key coin, I was really interested. I've seen some other pocket organizers, some key organizers, and I didn't think they were as cool as this one. So when I'm taking a look at it for the first time, I can see that it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, which I'm impressed with. I, for some reason, thought it was going to be the size of a quarter. It's more the size of a dime. So you've got a flat split ring here. You've got a couple of different spacers. You can make this, it looks like, a little bit wider or even a little bit narrower. And then you put your keys on here, and it holds your keys in a very subtle and a very organized fashion. Very secure. Really looking forward to setting my keys up on this one. I want to thank Civivi for sending us this one to check out. This is really neat. It's all aluminum, stainless on the inside. It's not heavy, but you can tell that it's strong. Hope this helps. Let's get that C right side up. Hope this helps.